Hindi to English of birds. Okay. Kabutar.
Pigeon.
Yes. Mohit was 1 second faster. Kaua.
Crow.
Yes.
Cow.
Morni.
Peacock.
नहीं wrong.
Peahen.
Yes. कोयल.
Cuckoo.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
बुलबुल.
Cuckoo.
Sparrow.
I'll give you a hint. Sarojini Naidu is called the dash of India.
Nightingale.
Yes. Hans.
Swan.
Yes.
क्या बैठ जाता हूँ मैं जैसे.
बतख.
Duck.
Yes. सारस.
Store.
Oh my God. Wow. कट फोड़वा.
Woodpecker.
Oh my God. Wow. How do you know this?
Cut means wood. फोड़वा pecker.
फोड़ना.
लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा.
गौरैया.
Sparrow.
Yes. गरुड़.
Gurudwar.
हाँ.
Vulture.
क्या वल्चर और तूने बोला?
Griffin.
Yeah. Audience, you tell us this answer in the comments.